What's going on, guys? Anyway, got the package in for the larger board. See what's inside, so let's be welcome. Also, I'd like to welcome you right back to the channel. It's been a little minute. Sometimes you just get busy. Try it one day, guys. Alright. Give it a roll. One hand me. In my jeans. In my jeans. Okay. Okay. Some bubble wrap, some more bubble wrap. Y'all just see that smoke? Alright, anyway. Let's put it in put in the, what the hell they call it? The non-static bags, you know, bags that keep the static off of it. That's a good thing. Hopefully it's in better shape than the one I got before. The one I got before was sitting on the shelf. God knows how long. It was all dusty, dirty. This one here looks not too bad, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Not bad at all. Let's see what we're working with here. This is for the fan, for the speaker. This is for this is the heatsink for the CPU. They got the Intel 2 core. Yeah, I can't remember what the NVIDIA graphics card was, but it was the Intel. That was the graphics card right here. This is for the RAM. You know, I never did find out where exactly the model number is. It's supposed to start with an A, then numbers. But I always went with this guy here, the 21PG. But yeah, we'll see how this goes tonight, guys. Hopefully it fucking works. But I don't see anything wrong other than flip hill thing. But other than that, it looks pretty clean. And it looks exactly like the motherboard I had in there before. There's a motherboard, the largest board I should say, that I had in it before. You see the yellow, drawing the blank here. What is those called? I'll come back to that later. So let me show you guys around the board here. So here's a fan connector. Shit, here's a speaker connector. So the fan connector should be Oh, right here. There it is. Right here. There's the fan canister. Right here. I'm like, ah damn, already. This is for the battery connector. And up here, that little guy here, this guy here, zoom in camera. That's for the backlit for the keyboard. That's for the keyboard. That's for the mouse. This one here is for the LED light for the the backlight lit for the monitor LED. Can't remember. I think this one was for the CD drive. I don't remember what this one's for, and I think that one here is for the light. Actually, I think this one right here was for the SSD. And we got over here this gold metal. This one's for the LED. I'm just gonna call this transistors, even though they got a different name for them, but it's exactly the same thing as a transistor. You know, the motherboard goes through all of these little transistors or chips right around here. They just circle through. And they're like, okay, well, we're gonna turn you on, and that goes to 1. Then there's like, okay, we're done with you, so we're gonna go to, I don't know, this one over here. So they'll switch it off by turning that to 0, and then turn this one back to 1. And then it just keep going. Then when that's done, then done with that, turns it to 0, and then turn this to 1, then 0 to 1, 0, and so on. And it just keeps recycling like that. That's binary. You know, computers don't use. You know, also they don't use any English like Japanese or language, I should say, Japanese or English, Spanish. You know, they don't use that, but they use binary, which is one bunch of ones, a bunch of zeros, and then they use that to pull out the output of what the user is trying to get. So the user puts an input into the computer, and then the CPU over here will get it, and then there's a, okay, well, let me make it up, and let me think about what I need to do, and so it processes it, and then it tells everything else on the motherboard, tells it what it needs to do, tells the RAM what it needs to do, tells the video card or chip in this matter what it needs to do, tells everything that's on the motherboard, that's placed on the motherboard, that's whatever. It tells everything what it needs to do, so they can give you the output. But anyways, let me zoom in here. This looks pretty damn clean. Really damn clean. I don't see any spots. I mean, I see the door on the edge there, but you know, that shit's hard to get. take some, actually, I was gonna say I'll take some, 99% alcohol clean to it, but I don't need to. Make sure this isn't gonna affect anything. Put it breathe, yeah, that's good. Everything's looking good. Surprisingly. Yeah, let's go ahead and stop that for now because for some reason I don't know how Bitwet does it, but that dude can hold his camera while he's working on the computer. He don't do it all the time, but yeah, he I don't know how the fuck he does it, but yeah, there it is. Shout out to Bitwet, by the way. What does that mean? That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys hopefully tonight when I take this cover off, the heatsink off, and see what the thermal paste looks like under it. Hopefully it's good thermal paste and I don't need to put glue on. And then I plug everything up on here, speakers, RAM, and yeah, maybe I'll slap this baby and we'll be good to go. Good to go. Alright guys, I'll catch you guys later. Subscribe if you like this content. Did I show you guys? Alright, here we go. Before I go, you got the Ethernet. I do believe this is USB's 2.0, I think. And then you got a mini display. Then you got the mic and the speaker output. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. If you like the content, leave a like. And hit that notification bell so you guys don't miss anything. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.